Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore WhatsApp backup on Motorola ThinkPhone 25. Okay, but before we begin, let's open up the settings. Let's scroll down until we find the Google, and in here make sure that you're logged into the same Google account that you have selected during your backup process in the moment when you are creating it. Because if you'll be logged into wrong account, you won't be able to restore your chats, so simply make sure that you're logged into proper account. Now we can open up our WhatsApp. In here simply select your language and click on agree and continue. We can click on allow to send us the notifications. Now in here in this bar we need to type our phone number. If you don't remember what's your phone number, you can always click right in here, click on continue, click on allow, and as you can see, your phone number will be automatically copied. Now click on next, click on yes, and now we need to also verify our phone number. We have two methods how we can do it. We can use the code from the SMS message or use the missed call function. It's up to you. Automatically the missed call function is selected, so in my case I want to continue. If you want to verify another way, simply click this button right in here. Now we need to click on allow. Okay, let's wait a little bit. Okay, and once you have verified your phone number, you should have something like that. Contacts and media. Now click on continue. Now allow for everything. And now simply select restore from backup and click on continue. And now as you can see, we are restoring from the same Google account that I'm currently logged into in my settings. So everything is correct. Alright, 12 messages restored. Now click on next. In here you can type your name and also change the profile photo. Then click on next. Okay, and now we are ready to use our WhatsApp. Now let's simply verify. You can see that all of the messages, including videos, photos, and normal messages, has been successfully restored. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.